Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Tell me, who doesn't like to eat potato crisps once in a while? Best part is they can be stored for 3 to 4 days. In this video, I'll show you the perfect method to make them. Are you a new visitor? Do consider subscribing for interesting, easy, tried and tested recipes. You just need 3 ingredients: potatoes, salt and oil for deep frying. You could use vegetable oil, but I prefer using mustard oil to fry the potatoes. Wash the potatoes and just peel the skin. Put it into a bowl of water. Get on with the rest. What do you do with the peel? Throw them or make crispy fries with them. Click the link above. You could slice the potatoes using a slicer or a mandolin or use a knife. We really need to slice it very thinly, as thinly as you can, so that you can almost see through it. Just be careful. This comes with a little practice, so don't give up. Once the potato has been sliced, just arrange the slices together into a block like this and cut out juliennes. It becomes really easy to cut out juliennes this way. Can you see? Just put the slices in water and we continue this way till all the potatoes have been cut into juliennes. The potatoes have been chopped and they are soaking in water. Just look at the amount of starch that has been released. So we need to wash the potatoes about 3 to 4 times or till the water runs clear. This is the third wash. Make sure to just scrub the potatoes well. That should need another wash. Finally, soak the potatoes in a lot of water for 45 minutes to an hour. After an hour, just drain the potatoes. Let them sit in the strainer for a couple of minutes so that the water drains off. Use a clean kitchen cloth and just wipe them dry. The potatoes must be really dry. We don't want the oil to splutter while we fry them. A cotton cloth works best. You could also use kitchen towel instead. Just toss them up. There's still some more water in it. So keep doing this till you are satisfied that the potatoes are totally dry. Keep them aside. Repeat with the rest of the lot. To fry the potatoes, heat some mustard oil. The oil should be really hot. That's good. Fry the potatoes in small batches. Reduce the heat to medium. We just need to get the potatoes nice and crisp. Stay with it and pay attention. This is really crucial. Just keep moving them around and I can see some coloration on them. they are done. Just take them out and drain on absorbing paper. If you like the recipe, do click the like button and share it with your friends. Try the rest. That's the last batch. When the fries cool down to room temperature, season them with salt. Give them a mix and store them in an airtight container. They keep well for about 3 to 4 days. These indulgent crisps are great as a snack, but they also go well with dal chawal or even with puri or paratha. Remember to click the bell icon when you subscribe.